Hacienda Ribbit here. Today is a hot, sunshiny July weekend. Perfect for grilling hot dogs and hamburgers, the two best things. Delicious flavors that they are. And today our house is going to be the epicenter of grilling that deliciousness. We are making Hamburger Dogs, a delicious combination of hot dogs and hamburgers. Now, it's very important that you pick the right hot dog. There's all kinds of cheap, ugly, nasty hot dogs out there. You got to pick one that's got a natural casing, all beef, and coarse ground if you can find it. And that's what we've got, so let's get cooking. What we're using here are my favorite dogs, Wimmer's brand. Natural casing wieners, old-fashioned coarse ground, 100% all beef. They're from an outfit out of here in the Midwest. I don't know if you can get them on the coast, but any all beef natural casing hot dog will be fine. And what we're going to do to these hot dogs, we're going to slice them right down the center like this. And it's not easy because they got a natural casing, but they are absolutely delicious. And if you look closely, you can see it is coarse ground all beef meat. Very tasty. So we're going to push them off to the side for now. Alright, we're going to season these burgers. As you can see, I've already manhandled them into long ovals because we're going to serve them on hoagie rolls. Now we're going to season them with strawberries barbecue seasoning. And no, it's not made with strawberries. Strawberries is the name of the family. They're from the Boot Heel of Missouri. He's a barbecue grand champion winner, and this is his rub. And it's so good, as you can see, I buy it by the quart. This is an amazing rub and seasoning for everything. Chicken, beef, poultry. I believe it works best with beef. But I've used it on anything else, including turkey. So there you go. We got that on there, and we're going to take these doggy dogs and we are going to mash them in the burger just like that. Join me in a moment. Now you can see how nicely mashed in the dogs are. That way they won't fall out during cooking. And we are going to top them with Kraft Deli Deluxe American cheese. None of this stupid cheese food or cheese product. This is a cheese that comes unwrapped. If you're buying American cheese in the plastic wrapper, it's cheese food or cheese product. You're not getting the real deal. And here are our delicious burger dogs, fresh off the charcoal grill with hardwood. And we went ahead and roasted a pair of jalapenos and a poblano as well. Let's build a sandwich. Okay, a nice hoagie bun with some yellow mustard. The giganticus meat patty hot dog on top with American cheese. And we're putting coleslaw on top. We're going to keep it simple. Hot dogs go very well with sauerkraut on top or coleslaw. I love them that way. And, oh, there go the lights. And that's it. Let's cap it up. Look at this American deliciousness. Okay, this guy's looking really good. Very simplistic, but very tasty. Oh my, look at that, will you? Let's cut it open. The deed is done, and people always have a good high quality knife. This is Tramontina from Brazil. All right. Oh man, look at that. Meaty doggy goodness. Let's go ahead. And you can see my madness was correct. The meat cooks around the dogs and they stay put. Let's bite it. Mmm. Mmm. What a decadent mouthful. That is amazing. That is the best of both worlds. That is a burger dog. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.